talk about chicken. Okay? Chicken is a farm animal. Okay? And what chicken give us? Eggs. And you will find the eggs in the century basket. Okay, so let's get started. The one egg I found. Purple one. Oh, it's a last. Put it in there. Where could it be? I found one. What's more? Where could it be? These three. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looking things are on it. 5, and then 6, and then there are some more. I think they're only 6. Okay. Now we'll learn about life cycle of the chicken. Okay. These eggs will be here in this pen too. Little bit further away the eggs. Okay, we'll pin the hand. Okay, we'll take this paint orange color, just like that color. Okay, I'll paint my hand. I'm gonna print it. It's put on the orange color on the egg. This is life cycle of the chicken. So let's learn about life cycle of the chicken. I made this and I painted and I drew it. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you of life cycle of the chicken. Then it eggs, then from eggs, hats, then hats, after hats, then they eat, chicks eat, and then they grow big. Like chicken, it can be chicken day. Okay? And that was life cycle of the chicken. Okay, see you. Thumbs up. See you. Bye.